chill, okay? Are you serious? Bo! Are you kidding me?
I owed him up.
Stop it. Love each other. We've been trying to contact.
Let's see.
Mickey. Hey, Mick. Mick, come here. Come here. Let's get a treat.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Te quiero mucho, mi amor.
No, dude. No. No! Ah!
The boy who lived has come to die.
It's a little flip. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Handsome? Would you like a treat? Wow.
За мной зеленая. Она закрыта для посетителей. Там
It's not about you, it's about her. She's real.
No! What are you doing? Beans! Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman! Cuddling dad. Cuddling mom. Cuddling pizza.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you talking like today or like in general?
Oh my, is it dead? What the?
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
I know, Lily. But that's your daughter, your granddaughter, so you got kids just like you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
Ruger.
Ivar the Super Snuggler. Oh, okay. I was joking. You're not a Super Snuggler. Okay.
Lenny, can I go upstairs?
What happened, Mama? What do you want?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Peanut.
Toad? Whether you are Super Toad or not, you cannot scare Ivar. Look at him. I could really go for a snack right now. That'll work.
To get those vehicles and get the passengers out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me.